Hi everybody, it's me, Mr. Duclos of Citizenship Academy. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, and this is our math lesson. We're going to do two problems that are review. You're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. So please pause the video, go get what you need, and then start it up and we'll begin. So today we're going to be reviewing something that we've done a few times already. But I was watching your lesson yesterday with Miss Daniel, and I noticed that you're doing more things with arrays. And so I want to go over an array and how with every array there are two different equations you can make. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw our arrays, and then we're going to come up with both equations for it. Then you're going to take a short quiz. All right, let's jump right into question number 1. Question 1. For question 1, we have 3 rows of 5. 3 rows of 5. So a row always goes from side to side. And we have 3 rows of 5. So row 1 has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row 2 has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And row 3 has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have our array, 3 rows of 5. 1 row of 5, 2 rows of 5, 3 rows of 5. With this, we can come up with 2 different math equations that will both come up to the same answer. We can do it using rows, or we can do it using columns. So first, we're going to do rows. We have a row of 5 plus a row of 5 plus a row of 5. And if we add by 5s, 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So that was one of the equations that we can get from this problem. But it's not the only one. Remember, for every array, there are 2 separate equations. And those equations are going to give you the same answer. So for this, we went by rows. Now we'll go by columns. So for columns, remember columns go up and down. So we have one column of 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus a column of 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 3. And now we solve our problem again. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Bring down this 3. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. So our answers were the same again. This red marker's not doing so great. It's okay. So see, our answers are the same. Even though one way we counted by rows and the other way we counted by columns. Either way, we got 15. And that kind of makes sense, right? We're not changing how much is in the array. The array stays the same. It doesn't change. It doesn't get bigger or smaller. It's just what it is. So the way that we count it isn't going to change how many that are there. It's just changing how we get there. Going by rows or by columns. And there's something else I want us to notice. If we have 3 rows of 5, that's saying we have 3 5s, right? So 3 5s. I have 5 3 times. 5, 5, 5. That's the same as when we counted by rows. 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. So that's always going to give you one hint to how you can do your problem. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. For question number 2, we have 4 columns of 2. 4 columns of 2. So remember, a column goes up and down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So now we have 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 in each column, 1, 2. But let's notice, even before we do anything, that there's another way we could say this. This does have 4 columns with 2 in it, but it's also 2 rows, 1, 2, with 4 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's both of those at the same time. So now that we have an array, we're going to come up with our two different equations that are going to have the same answer. So first we'll go by columns. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So that's if we're going by our columns. We have 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We have 2 4 times. 1, 2, 2 2s, 3 2s, 4 2s. So if we have 2 4 times, the other way of that is just going to be the opposite. Instead of having 2 4 times, we're going to have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 times. 1, 2. So we have 4 plus 4 equals 8. They are both going to give you the same answer. It's just if you're looking at it either by columns or by rows. And depending on how you draw the array, each way might be easier for you. Some people, it's easy to add up a lot of little numbers. For some people, it's easier to add up 2 big numbers. Whatever is the easiest way for you to do it will be the best way to do it. All right, that's the end of our lesson. Please go take your short quiz and then make sure you do your 30 minutes of iReady. iReady is one of the best tools that we have to get you ready for 3rd grade because its lessons are made for you and nobody else. So have a great rest of your day, and I will see you on Thursday. Goodbye.